Welcome to JH. Today we're looking into GetPegasusOfficial.com, a website claiming to sell a digital training system called Pegasus. It promises to help you build an online presence, organize your workflow, and use automation to make your life easier. It sounds incredibly useful, provided you enjoy being sold a dream that's about as sturdy as a cardboard umbrella. Let's break down whether this is a legitimate opportunity or just another digital trap. The first major red flag comes from Reddit and various other platforms where users are already calling it a scam. Critics have noted that the site is brand new, hides its ownership details, and makes those classic get-rich-quick promises that have about as much credibility as a gas station sushi. Many observers pointed out that the site looks cheaply made, possibly even AI-generated, with absolutely no real success stories to back up its bold claims. The site boldly asserts that using their system once a day can generate $528 daily. However, when we actually tried to place an order, the website simply displayed an error. It seems their automation is so advanced it even automates the process of not actually having a product to sell. This suggests there isn't a real system at all, just a collection of flashy buzzwords designed to lure people in. Then there is the promotional video, which claims to reveal a 7-minute-a-day system that earns more than most CEOs, doctors, and lawyers combined. That is quite the ego for a video that never actually ends. It just keeps looping without providing any tangible details, which is a classic scam tactic used to keep viewers hooked while carefully avoiding any real information. Another issue is the lack of communication. The only support option provided is a single email address. There is no phone number or live chat, because nothing says, "We value your business," like a digital black hole. Finally, when we tried to find out who actually runs the site, we found nothing. Legit businesses are transparent about their leadership, but this company is more secretive than a teenager's browser history. So, is GetPegasusOfficial.com legit? Honestly, no. All signs point to it being unsafe, unreliable, and a total scam. It's shady, full of unrealistic claims, and provides zero transparency or real support. If you're looking for ways to build an online income, you're better off staying far away from sites like this. Don't risk your money or your personal information on a fantasy. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more updates, and I'll see you in the next one.